Hey, what's up my friends, myself Funkers and welcome back to Electronics Creator. And guys, 1 year ago in a quick time I was make one project named as a smart IoT based ventilator. And guys, this project is a most sold project on our channel, The Electronics Creator. But guys, at the making time, I doesn't focus on the errors, all the technical errors which is comes in the project. But when I deliver this project to many clients, so many students, they send the feedback about this project. The many technical errors are comes in the project. So I need to redesign this project. I need to rethinking on the project, and I found these many technical errors are comes in the project. Like errors are comes in the servo mechanism, then servo motor, then the regulator circuit, then the programming. Also errors comes interrupt in the sending the data to the Blink application. So I need to remake this project without all the technical errors and need to eliminate all the technical errors. So in the project, in the video, I am showing the next version of this ventilator, and in the project I am eliminating all the errors which is comes in the previous version. So I am calling this project is a smart IoT based ventilator version 2nd. So let's see the demo of this project and see how many changes are done in the project. So guys, this is a project. First of all, showing the demo of this project. So I am on the system. Out of the on system, the name showing on the LCD display, that is ventilator by the EC, means ventilator by the Electronics Creator. And then now I'm try to connect to Wi-Fi. After the connect to the Wi-Fi, it's trying to connect to the Blink application and then initialize the pulse oximeter sensor. And I'm using the pulse oximeter sensor max 30100. And you can see the two knobs are here that's control the ventilation of the patient. That's this knob is knobs as called as the volume knob, that's control the volume of the ventilator, means actually is control the oxygen level of the patient. This knob is called as a rate knob, that's control the rate of the ventilator. That means it's control the delay in between the pressing and the relaxing of the bag. When I'm increasing the volume knob, that is you can see how the volume is increasing in the ventilator, means how the oxygen level is increasing of the patient. And when I'm increasing the rate knob, that means that's how the decrease the delay in between the pressing bag and the relaxing of the bag. And at the time the data is comes on the Blink application, and you can see the right now the data is volume is 80 and the rate is 30. And guys, we can measure the pulse oximeter BPM and the respiratory level of the patient. So I'm taking the finger on the max 30100 oximeter sensor. That time it's showing the BPM level and the respiratory levels, but the max 3010 sensor need to minimum 10 seconds to get the actual reading of the BPM and the respiratory level. So right now you can see the actual readings are showing on the LCD display as well as on the Blink application. So guys, right now you can see how many changes are made in the version 2nd as compared to the version 1. First of all, I'm changing the motor mechanism. You can see how the motor mechanism in the previous version, how the motor mechanism in this version 2nd. Due to this motor mechanism, the heating problem is automatically eliminated, and due to the eliminate the heating problem, the two problems are also eliminated, like that comes in the regulator circuit, and that also comes in the sending the data to the Blink application. These two problems also are eliminated automatically due to this motor mechanism. And also guys, as like this, I'm solving the many more errors in the program, and also it's errors that comes in the max 30100 sensor, as also all the errors are eliminated, all the technical errors are eliminated from this project, and right now this project is working properly. So guys, you see the demo of this project, and I hope you understand the next version, 2nd version of this ventilator project. And if you like this project, definitely you can like this video. If you dislike this project, definitely dislike this video, but subscribe to channel and touch the bell icon to get the notification or upcoming videos. And if you're buying this project, if you're making this project in your degree or diploma final project, then definitely you can contact us on official WhatsApp number that's given in the video description. So we will meet in the next one with the next project, with the next tutorial. Until then, take care and bye.